Let's make a ricotta stuffed roast chicken. This is the juiciest chicken you'll ever pull out of your oven. This chubby bird features a herbaceous ricotta mixture stuffed under its skin and is spatchcocked to ensure even cooking, so the breasts are just as juicy as the thighs. This is such a good one, so let's get into it. Start by placing a whole chicken on a cutting board. Flip the bird around and remove the backbone using kitchen shears. I like to store the backbone in the freezer so I can use it in a stock at a later date. Flip the bird back around and press hard on the breast to break the breastbone so the chicken more or less lays flat. Place a cooling rack on top of a small baking sheet. Place the chicken on top and season it generously with salt all over. Make sure you don't neglect the other side. Return the chicken to breast side up and transfer it to the fridge. Leave the chicken to dry brine uncovered for 8 to 12 hours. Dry brining dries out the skin for maximum crispiness, and it also seasons the chicken from the outside in. When the chicken is nearing the end of its brining time, mince a clove of garlic. Next, finely chop a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley and fresh chives. Do the same to some fresh sage. You should have about 2 tablespoons worth when all is said and done. Place 350 grams or 12 ounces of full-fat ricotta in a bowl. Add the garlic, a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, the sage, the parsley and chives, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir to combine. Set the mixture aside until you're ready to stuff your bird. If you're working ahead, chill the ricotta mixture, but be sure to take it out 20 minutes prior to stuffing. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a large round tip in a large piping bag and place them inside a drinking glass to hold them steady. Fill the piping bag with the ricotta mixture. Squeeze the bag to remove any excess air. Set aside. Slowly and carefully peel the skin away from the flesh of the chicken breast. I like to use the handle of my rubber spatula for this. Slice the skin on both ankles and start working the skin away from the thigh and drumstick as well. And yes, I realize this looks a little gross. Sorry about it. Fill the pockets you've made by piping in the ricotta mixture. Use your hands to press and smooth the skin to ensure the filling is evenly dispersed. Do this while attempting to keep your chicken and cheese-obsessed cat at bay. Good luck. Transfer the stuffed chicken to a large cast iron skillet. Brush the chicken all over with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Top the chicken with 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 5 to 6 lemon wheels. Transfer to the oven and roast for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, take the chicken out of the oven and push the lemon wheels to one side. This will ensure the chicken browns evenly during its second trip to the oven. Brush the chicken all over with its juices and return it to the oven. Roast for another 30 minutes. Return the lemon wheels to the top of the chicken and finish with fresh sage leaves. Now you could take a trivet and present this ricotta stuffed chicken to the table as is. It certainly makes for a stunning centerpiece. But if you're keen to show off this fabulous chicken stuffing, I suggest carving it. Make sure you cut the breast in half as well. Not only is half a breast a slightly more manageable serving size, particularly if you also want dark meat, but you will also get a good cross-section of the breast and an excellent view of your handiwork. And there you go, ricotta stuffed roast chicken, an extra version of a classic Sunday roast. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. See you next week.